Hi everybody, just a quick video of a kohler diesel single cylinder generator. Came out of a lighting tower. I think it was a VB9, I think. For the size of the unit, they're not overly powerful. I think they're only about 2.5 kilowatt, but it's long term running in the lighting tower. The tank in those is about 170 litres, so I've just put it on a frame, put a Nissan micro exhaust on it to keep it quiet a bit, and let's see how it'll start. It's about 4 degrees today, so, and it's not been started for about a week, so let's see how we get on. It's not quite finished. You can see bare cables there for the charging circuit. I haven't done that. And what else? I haven't put the plate on there. Put new filters on it, new oil, air filters cleaned. So let's give it a go. See if it'll start. Takes a bit of time, and it goes. There we go. It does smoke a bit from cold, but it does clear. I mean, you know, it's a diesel running on red diesel. It will smoke a bit. Certainly when it's been sitting a while, but it's clearing already. You know, it's not overly quiet. It's not too noisy. It is what it is. Anyway, this video. Any questions, put down in the comments. See what you think. Well, it should start a lot better now. It's had a decent cold start. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, a little fuel tank, but, you know, it's about 4 litres. Now, this supposedly sips fuel, supposedly, so I reckon you'll get 4 to 6 hours on full load out of it. You know, it's just a nice size. It's not over. I don't think it's as noisy as the Yanmar ones, but. And I've never really rated kohler engines, but a mate of mine's had a few, and he has been 100% reliable, and this one seems to be pretty good. It's got a huge sump on it. I don't know whether you can see. Big, fin sump on it. So you can get under there with it. Can't really see. So, as a long-term generator, you know, emergency backup, just to give you some light and maybe boil a kettle, it's ideal. So anyway, thanks for watching. Any questions, I'll try and help. As you can see, you know, the wiring's not completed yet, so please don't leave any comments about that, because these aren't live anyway, those ones. They're for the charging circuit, which I haven't worked out how to wire up yet. But anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, thank you.